Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. In today's video, I will be showing you how to dehydrate your orange peels. Orange peels has lots of benefits and it can be used for your cookies, you can use it for your pastries and for your confectionaries, and also for your skincare. Okay, you have to wash the orange bags if you want to get that good benefit from this orange without any side effect. You have to make sure to wash your orange very well with salt and water. You can also choose to use vinegar to wash the back of the orange in order for you to get a clean orange peel. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumb up. Take a seat, take a wine, and learn how to dehydrate your own orange peels at home. So I just finished washing the orange, and this is how the orange peels is looking like. I'll be dehydrating the orange peel in my oven in low heat for up to 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes. It depends on the oven that you are using. Please dehydrate it on low heat, okay? So guys, after taking it out of the oven, this is how the peel of the orange looks like. As you can see, it's so dry. You can snap it within a second. You can just snap it. So after that, now I'll be storing it in my airtight container. I'll be storing it in this container. I normally use this for my skin care routine. What you have to do is to blend it into a powder and then you use it. You can use it to make your cake. You can use it to make any other recipe. Okay? Not only for skincare. You can use it to make your cake. So I just finished transferring the orange peel to the container, and I can store it in the container for up to 3 months. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. And I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. I love you so much. Bye.